I just wasted my day trying to figure out how to quickly sort a huge project in Resolve. Let me show you what I've learned. We're not quite there yet. So here are all the project files I have. The first thing you do, of course, is right click and auto sync audio. So all of my audio files are synced to my video. Doesn't work perfectly, but the next thing I want to do is create a multicam sequence. So I'm going to drag them all, create a multicam sequence. But what happens here is I don't have proper timecode, so things aren't working the right way. So what I need to do is add the timecode to each. Well, this is what I learned, which is pretty cool. So in list view, I can go and see my different files. So here you can see all of these files do not have a proper timecode. They're all zeros, meaning my camera did not record them. So I went to Gemini and I said, create a script in Resolve to change the timecode to the create time. It popped out a Python script, which is super cool. So I just had to click copy. Here it gave me the details on how to do that. So there I selected all the clips I want to fix. I'm going to go up to workspace and then we're going to go down to console. And here I've already applied Python 3, so I did have to go download that. And then all I need to do is paste and enter and watch what happens. Boom. All of those now have timecode. Awesome. So now what I have to do, well, is what I'm going to do is do this by date. That seems to be the easiest way. So we're just going to keep it simple here and do these on this date. So I'm going to right click now, create my multicam sequence, and we'll name this cam 2 July 8th. Here we're going to do angle sync by timecode. We're going to do the source audio channels and everything else there staying like that. Then I'm going to create. Here is my cam 2. We're going to right click, open in timeline. And now we have this timeline and it automatically puts everything on its own layer. So I'm not sure exactly how to fix that, but if you grab the layers and hold option and go down, you can do it one layer at a time. Option down, it's moving audio and video at the same time. And now we have everything on one layer. Gonna come over here, right click, delete unused, boom. And now we have this camera on this day set up. So I can then pull all of my different ones so you can see I've been organizing, and I want to keep all the spacing there because some of the clips align with the spacing. So I don't want to go through and find those, but now I have everything set up. So now I just need to go through each camera with each day, and then I will have a quicker way of pulling everything together now that I have the time code put together. So if that made any sense to you, that's what I'm doing to hopefully save some time on compiling this project together. At this point, I probably would have been much faster just to start editing the project. If you have any tips on how to do this better, let me know.